So, you've got this fantastic girl and it seems the feeling is mutual. But just when everything seemed perfect, you saw it. You've got competition, and worse, that guy is actually stealing the spotlight from you. Dude is upping his game, and you've noticed she's giving him a bit more attention. You're starting to feel like a loser, even though the game is still on. So how do you win? How do you rekindle her focus on you, thereby stealing the competition's thunder? Well, that's why we're here today, and we're going to be showing you what to do to make her want you even more than any other guy. Be in control. Yeah. I know, it probably sounds weird that being in control is the first thing to do to make her choose you over the other guy, but just listen. Understanding what makes women tick isn't about following the script Hollywood laid out for us. Contrary to the romantic movies that showcase nice guys making grand gestures to win a girl's heart, the reality is quite different. The truth is, attraction does not stem from overt displays of affection. It's actually rooted in nature. The fact is, a woman wants a man, and a real man is not someone that begs and kneels every time. A real man has control. She's not going to want you because you're always buzzing her phone begging to take her out. That's what a baby does. You need to keep things that make you look weak under wraps. You need to be able to maintain positive emotions regardless of what's happening in your romantic life. You need to keep investing in yourself rather than fixating on getting girls. Yes, you need to let your qualities speak for you. So, one way to stand out and make her choose you over the competition is this. Be your finest self. Don't be desperate and continue to grow. Chill. Don't go begging her not to choose the other guy. Rather, show her that you've got your life sorted and on a fast track to success, and if she wants to be a part of that, she needs to come correct. But what do I mean by she needs to come correct? Well, that leads us to the next step. Give her a chance to chase. You ever heard of the saying that women love the chase? Well, it's not just a saying, it's a game changer when it comes to the dating game. You see, the girl that you want secretly wants to be the one putting in the effort to win you over. Alright, maybe not exactly you, but a worthy man. So, the magic lies in making yourself the prize, the coveted treasure that she works hard to attain. So, how can you do this? Be the high-value man who doesn't rush into commitment with anybody. Let her have her space, but even then, don't hide your intentions. Don't act like it's cool for her to leave you and go to him in public. You must understand that when she does things like this, she is testing you, and if you fail that test, you will suffer for it. Let her know where you stand and can continue to better yourself and never take crap from her. That way, you earn more of her respect, and eventually she's going to want to boast to her friends about how she stole you from the other girls. Bring positivity and happiness. Let's say that you've been away for some time, and for some reason, you guys have not been able to hang out. Well, when you're back and ready to see her, make sure to bring nothing but goodness and positive energy. This works especially when she's going through some challenges at work or even better in her relationship. In such cases, you should use laughter as a weapon. Never underestimate the impact of a good laugh, especially for a girl facing relationship struggles. You see, your ability to make her laugh, playfully tease, and create a lighthearted atmosphere will work wonders in your favor. If you successfully do that, she starts to see you as the angel that brings her good tidings in contrast to the storm brewing at home. Now, while you guys were hanging out, try to avoid discussions about her relationships or even work if possible. Your mission is to show her a good time, and that is all you should focus on. Showcase your worth. First off, you want to be seen as a high-value man. Also, she only wants a high-value man, so why should you not walk around like one? While humility has its place, subtly showing her your value is the key to taking her away from other guys. So how do you do this? First, be mindful of your look. Keep yourself impeccably groomed and wear clothes that align with your personality. This is not only showing her that you respect her enough to dress well, but that you also take your image very seriously. Also, don't shy away from displaying financial stability, but do so with finesse. One way that I do this is by bringing a generous gift for her or some relative. The trick is to avoid going overboard, ensuring your wealth complements your personality rather than overshadowing it. Also, let your status subtly shine through with the way that you talk and act. For instance, rather than telling her that you are successful at what you do, tell her stories of your experience dealing with big names and companies. The goal is to show who you are without coming off as a show-off. Now that we're halfway through the video, why don't you hit that subscribe button and support to the channel. Do the same with the like button if you're enjoying the video. Alright, all done? Let's get back to the list. Lecking. Now picture yourself at a party where you are renowned for your talents. The spotlight's on you and everyone wants a piece of you. This is what lecking is about. Whether it's a skill, a passion, or a knack for something special, showcasing your abilities implies competence. Besides, having only one particular talent suggests to her that you're probably good in certain other areas, which only amplifies your appeal. You see, this is true of the animal kingdom, which is actually where the word lecking is originally used. So, lecking is when a male displays abilities aimed at attracting females. Birds sing to outdo one another, and rams clash horns to demonstrate physical prowess, and so on. So, what do we humans do? Well, we have fun by playing games, sports, and so on. And yes, the winner truly takes all, both the money and the affection. So do some research on how your competition is failing and get better at some of those things. Does your girl love karaoke and the other guy's a poor singer? Do some vocal training and outdo him whether he's there or not. This is another way to outdo the other guy. And trust me, when it comes to blowing a girl's mind, less is more when done right. It's not always about grand gestures like daily bouquets or overt compliments. Instead, the real magic lies in those little details the other guy, or even her, misses. Share how her dress reminds you of a particular love story writer, or tell her something interesting about earrings that she's wearing. If you notice that she often wears a particular lipstick during your dates, let her know that you noticed. And trust me, it will leave a lasting impression. Women crave the personal touch, the kind that shows you see beyond the surface. It's not just about what you say, but how keenly you observe and appreciate the finer details of who she is. This will make her more impactful if the other guy doesn't do it, and even if he does, she'll still love you for it. Yet there is nothing to a woman like pointing out a detail that she didn't even notice. Keep mystery in the air. Now, while openness is great, there is so much to be gained in the dating arena by maintaining an air of mystery. It's a bad idea to be an open book. Instead, strategically reveal layers of your personality to her in ways that build suspense and intrigue. I have a friend that is a doctor and kind of looks like a nerd, so you'd never guess that he was really into jiu-jitsu. Women always go crazy for him when they see him fight. But why? By creating a sense of mystery, you engage her curiosity. Most women love surprises, and you need to have one of them in the bag for her at intervals. Think of things about you that she wouldn't believe and slowly reveal some. Just enough to pique her interest, but not everything, so she comes wanting more. This is a tried and true method for sparking an irresistible attraction. So yes, this is how to make her want you more than any other guy. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, we'd love to help. Also, you can learn more in the next video.